All right, in first class solutions today, we're looking at probability. We're looking at a ball drawn at random from a box containing 6 red balls, 4 white balls, and 5 blue balls. Now, I want to determine the probability that the ball that is being drawn is a red ball or whether it's a white ball, blue, whether the ball is not red or whether the ball is either red or white. So, all we just need to do is that looking at the probability here, they said we have 6 red balls, 4 white balls, and 5 blue balls. So in probability, the probability of a value here in this kind of question is the number of possible outcomes over number of what total outcomes. If you have this in mind, we're able to solve all of these questions. So let's go. Number of possible outcomes over number of total outcomes. So for that of red, the possible outcome is that we have 6 red balls. So it means that we have 6 over what? What is the number of total balls we have? We have 6 plus 4 being 10 and plus 5 being 15. So the number of possible total outcome is what? Is 15. That means to say that the probability of the ball drawn is red is that we have 6 over 15, and that will be, it can divide further. 3 will go here in 2 times and 3 will go here 5 times. So we have 2 over 3 as the probability that the ball is red. Now going for the second one, the probability that the ball is white will be number of possible outcome. Possible outcome means number of white balls we have. We have 4. Then total outcome is 6 plus 4 plus 5. That is 15. So we have 4 over what? 15. So the probability here is 4 over 15. There's nothing that can be used to divide further. So we just have 4 over 15 as the probability that the ball drawn is what? Is white. So going for blue, the probability that the ball drawn is blue, we have number of possible outcome for blue is 5. The number of total outcome is 15, just the way we got for this one. So we have probability that the ball drawn is blue is 5 over what? 15. This is actually divisible further, where we can have 5 here 1, 5 here 3. So we have the probability that the ball is blue is 1 over what? 3. So the probability of blue ball is 1 over 3. Coming here, we have probability of not red. Probability of not red is given as, you can calculate it in 2 ways, where we have, if the probability of not red, that is the ball drawn is not a red ball, it means that the ball will be either white ball or what, or blue ball. So the probability of not red is either you just sum the probability of red, white ball and blue ball, you get your answer. So for blue ball, we have 1 over 3, 1 over 3 plus, we are talking of not red, so we have blue and white. For white ball, probability of white ball, I think we've calculated, we have 4 over 15 plus 4 over what? 15. So here the LCM of 3 and 15 is what? Is 15. So we have all over 15 into 3 and 15 will give you 5 times 1. We have 5 plus 15 and 15 will give you 1. 1 times 4 is what? 4. So we have equal to 9 over what? 15. And this can be broken further as what? As 9 over 15, 9, 3 here, 3, 3 here, 5. So we have 3 over what? 5. That is the probability that the ball is what? Is not red. So this 3 over 5 here is probability that it's not red. You can even calculate this as saying that if the total probability, total probability is always 1. Total probability is 1. That is 15 over 15 here is actually 1. So we can actually subtract the probability of red from the total probability to get what we have as the probability of not red. We can have it something like this. If total probability is 1, that is 15 over 15. Let me just say 15 over 15 is the same as 1, which is equal to probability of red is what? 6 over 15, which we actually got at first. 6 over 15, which was broken down as what? 2 over 3. So probability of not red will now be 15 over 15 minus what? 6 over 15, which will give us 15 minus 6 to give you what? 9 all over what? 15. And if you break it down like we have here, 9 over 15, you will get what? 2 over, you get 3 over 5. So we have 3 over what? 5. The same thing we have here, that is what we have here. So probability of not red is actually 3 over 5. The probability of red or white, probability of red or white is the probability of red and the probability of what? White. So we have probability of red is what? 2 over 3. 2 over 3 plus probability of white 14 over 15. That is 4 over 15, not 14 over 15. So when you sum these two probabilities, we have the LCM of this and this is what? Is the LCM of this is 15. So we have 15 into 3 in 15 will give you 5. 5 times 2 will give you 10. Plus 15 in 15 will give you 1. 1 times 4 will give you what? 4. So your probability of red or white is what? 14 all over what? 15. Thank you very much for watching to this point. And do well to share this video to your friend because it might be a very good help to them, especially those that will be writing external examinations. God bless you.